Good morning students. As you know that in our previous classes we are finished lesson number 1 living world. So today we are going to discuss about living world question answers. The first main question is multiple choice. The discharge of waste from the body is called dash. Options are reproduction, excretion, growth, respiration. The correct option is B, excretion. The discharge of waste from the body is called excretion. Second, sugarcane is an example of dash. Options are annuals, biennials, triennials and perennials. The correct option is B, biennials. Sugarcane is an example of biennials. Third, plants respire through small opening is called dash. Options lungs, skin, stomata and gills. Correct option is C, stomata. Plants respire through small opening is called stomata. Second main, fill in the blanks. First one, all living organisms made up of cells. Living organism means all living things, they are made up of cells. Second, living organisms which are made up of single cell are called unicellular organisms. Means some living organisms which are made up of single cell, they are called unicellular organisms. Third, living organisms which are made up of many cells are called multicellular organisms. Means living organisms which are made up of many cells. Means some animals have made up of many cells. So they are called multicellular organisms. Fourth, depending upon the lifespan of plants are grouped as annuals, biennials and perennials. Means the plant's lifespan means some plants are live for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year or some plants are live for many years. So depending upon the lifespan, plants are grouped as annuals, biennials and perennials. Fifth, actions like flying, walking, swimming and leaping are called movement. Means living organisms, they are showing actions like flying, walking, swimming and leaping. All these actions are called a movement. Third main, true or false. First, living beings do not grow. False. Living beings means living organism, they are growing. But here given living beings do not grow means it is a false. Second, non-living things do not eat food. Yes, that is a true. Because non-living things, they do not have a life. Third, living beings move on their own. True. Living beings means living organisms means animals, they are moved from one place to another place by their own. Fourth, living beings do not respire. False. Living beings, living organisms, they are respire. They take oxygen and throw out carbon dioxide. But here given living beings do not respire. Means that statement is false. Fifth, green plants are called heterotrophs. That is a false. Green plants, they are called autotrophs because they prepare their own food. But here given green plants are called heterotrophs. Means that statement is false. Fourth main, match the following. Column A, some living organisms are given here like man, frog, fish and butterfly. In B column, they are showing their movements. Flies, swims, walking and leaping. Now match the correct options. Man walking. Man walk from one place to another place with the help of legs. Frog leaping means frog is jumping from one place to another place. Fish swims in the water. Butterfly flies away from one place to another place. Fifth main, mention the respiratory organs of the following. Like man, respiratory organ is lung, means they respire through lungs. Earthworm respire through skin. Fish respire through gills. Dog respire through lungs. Plants respire through stomata. And frog, they have 3 organs to respire, like skin, lungs and buccal cavity. Sixth main, answer the following questions. What are the characteristics of living beings? Answer. Characteristics of living beings are growth, B. food, C. movement, D. respiration, E. excretion, F. response to stimulus, G. reproduction, H. lifespan and I. cells. All these are the characteristics of living beings. Second, define cell. Answer. Cell is a basic structure and functional unit of all living organisms. Example, plants and animals. Third, define growth and give example. Growth. An increase in size is called growth. Example, a plant growing into a tree. Fourth, what is reproduction and give an example. Answer. Reproduction. The process by which a living being reproduces young ones similar to itself is called reproduction. For example, a woman gives birth to a baby. Means all living organisms, they are reproduces their young ones. So that process is called a reproduction. Fifth, living beings need food. Why? Why all living beings they need food? Answer. Living beings need food for their growth, survival and to produce energy required for various activities. Sixth, what are autotrophs? Answer. Autotrophs, green plants which prepare their own food is called autotrophs. Seventh, define lifespan. Answer. The period between life and death is called lifespan. For example, turtle, that average lifespan is 150 years. Cow average lifespan is 20 years. And man 70 to 80 years. Eighth, what are the difference between plants and animals? First column, plants. A. Plants do not move from one place to another place. Second column, animals. First one, animals move from one place to another place. Means plants, they do not move from one place to another place. They are fixed in the soil. That roots are fixed in the soil. They holds. Animals, they move from one place to another place. B. Green plants prepared their own food by the process is called photosynthesis. These plants are called autotrophs. Second column, in animals, B. Animals depend upon plants and animals for their food is called heterotrophs. C. Plants respire through small openings, they are called stomata. Second column, C. Animals have definite organs to respire like lungs, skin and gills. First column, in plants, D. Plants reproduce by producing seed and stem. In second column, in animals, living beings reproduces young ones, but some animals laying eggs. So students, today whatever the question answers we have discussed, you have write in the science fair. Thank you. Have a nice day.